everyone, my name is Shamik and tomorrow is my father's birthday. So me and my mom want to give him a surprise. So in this surprise, I am going to bake a chocolate cake for my dad. And I am going to make this biscuit chocolate cake. First, I will open this packet and then break all the biscuits with the help of my mom. As you can see, I break all the biscuits. Now, I am going to put all these biscuits in the jar and my mom is going to blend them. Now my mom is going to blend all of these biscuits. As you can see, my mom made the powder and now my mom made the powder and put it in the container, and now I'm going to put milk and then I'm going to mix it with this. For enhancing taste, I add chocolate, and in the place of chocolate, you can also add chocolate chips. Now everything is ready, and at the last, I'm going to put baking powder and baking soda. Batter is totally ready, as you can see. Now my mom is going to put it in this container. Everything is ready and now I have to type it. Now my mom is going to bake it. Now let's see how it will become. Only in 30 minutes my cake is ready and I am so excited that how is it going to be the taste and what the shape is going to be. So now my mom is going to take the cake out. Wow, it's just amazing! Now you can see how nicely this cake is. Look, from everywhere it's looking so spongy. Enhance the taste of this cake, I'm going to do chocolate coating. The cake is done and even the chocolate coating is done. Now, I hope my dad will like this cake and you also make it for your dad and have a lot of fun.